LED Tri-Fold Advertising Machine Fold and Splice Display Tutorial. Loosen the 6 rear latches. Fold the panels simultaneously. Then connect the Ethernet cable to the computer. Launch the HUD player software. Click here to change language. Wait for the device to appear here. Then click File, New. Uncheck Use Hardware Settings to adjust resolution. Once configured, check the box and click OK. Right-click the newly created display in the program list. Click Rename to customize the name. Click Video to add a new program. Click the plus icon to select playback material. Set the layout width to half of the original pixel value. Click Video again to add another program. Select the material for the opposite display. Modify the resolution the same way. Enter values in layout to adjust material position. Finally, click Send to complete. For multi-panel display splicing, repeat the same steps. Set the resolution to match the source material, and simply add one video program then send. Unfold the screen and tighten the latches for splicing. Ensure the ground is level. Align the screens, then tighten the latches at the joints. Connect the HDMI cable as shown. Plug in the Ethernet cable to the computer to modify material data.